Whenever you deal with a network, you always focus on several physical components, and in every Cisco-driven network, we're always going to have these components making their presence known. Of course, the endpoints, that is the personal computers which are attached to the networks, will have what's called a network interface card or a NIC. These intelligence devices actually take information from the personal computer and translate it into a format that can be understood by the network by using a variety of techniques and protocols and so on. The network interface card is normally connected directly to some sort of network media, such as Ethernet. One of the components that you will find on every Ethernet cable is some sort of a connector. In this case, we have an example of an RJ45 connector, which is used for unshielded twisted pair, or UTP, Ethernet connections. This connector will plug right into your network interface card and then right into the next device over this cable, which is the switch. Switches are typically devices that provide connections to the network. They concentrate a large collection of devices into one single unit. A switch can actually have anywhere from 12 ports all the way up to 800 or more ports, giving us a very high density of connectivity for our network. Moreover, switches come in quite a few different flavors to lend themselves more functionality to the network environment. In most cases, we also have routers in local area networks. A router's job is to provide interconnectivity between separate segments on the network, which are also known as physical subnets. Routers also move the data or route the data from one segment to another. Now, the Internet is actually made up of an entire collection of routers, which know how to move the data from your computer to the destination computer on the Internet. The beauty of this is that we have a device that has the ability to actually move data around intelligently, always using the proper or best path to get data from point A to point B. When we look at the common physical components of a network, in most cases, whether it is a small home office or a big corporate office, we will find almost the same technology being utilized.